We looking real climactic. Anyhow, I'm back to do an unveiling right now of this pink wig. Yeah. Got it from Amazon. This is gonna be an Amazon review right. Okay, so boom. Like I said, this is a wig from Amazon. We don't have an Amazon box because Amazon does sponsor this whole video, and whoever this wig is from sponsored the whole video. So first of all, it came in this cute ass case. Like, this is a good ass wig case. Or shit, fucking around with me. This is a night out. We're gonna go out on the town fucking with this thing. Okay, so it came in this little satin bag. Kind of hard to open. Ooh. So what? It gave me a little clip. I know everybody needs one of these just cause this is hella good. Clutch. Hell yeah. Velcro, of course. Press-ons, bust down, and then it came with 2 wig caps, which I appreciate. My color, not really my color, but I appreciate whatever is given to me for free. Is this not for the girls? So this is a 13x4 pink lace front, body wave, 22 inches. 22 on you hoes. All fucking Amazon. Shit. This feels hella good. No cap. Bro? Betty, are you making sure you get Okay, this is not bad though. Like, what? I could definitely fuck around and style this. So, boom, this how it comes. It comes with some combs. Of course, it comes with like the little elastic in the back. And they said it was HD lace. You're not about to get no HD lace, 22 inches for $129, but this is still some good lace. I would say it's brown lace. Brown lace. I wouldn't even go as far to say Swiss lace because it's still pretty thick and whatever. But me being a fly dresser, we about to finesse the fuck out of this wig. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Hey. Is this even a cute pink?
Oh yeah, what is this even? Girl, I was gonna say,
but I'm
recycle that much.
Okay, but I'm probably gonna end up doing the ends in this because it definitely gets lighter towards the end, and it looks like more scraggly, I would say. But overall, it feels hella good. I ain't had no shedding just coming out or nothing yet. So yeah. Okay, so I'm about to do the watercolor method. I have yet to try this method on like an Amazon wig for real, because they be like human hair, blah blah blah. Amazon, we know for $129, I do not believe. Let me not even say that because they about to sponsor your girl for my next couple wigs. But okay, so boom, this is the wig, y'all. When I tell you this girl, what am I gonna name her? Sasha feels so fucking good and so full. I believe they said it was 160 density. This how we look on the inside. But I'm doing the hot water color method. I have this Kiss Cherry Bomb. Come on. Boom. That I been got a while ago. But I just want to try it out. Major foul. I just fucking dropped this wig into the hot water. On accident. Okay, no I didn't. So boom. So here it's my bucket. Ooh. Oh no, I got like a little green leaf in here. Fuck. Yeah. Okay, so boom, now we got the wig on, we got the wig fitted, we have the ear tabs cut, we got the lace melted. So now we're going in with our Erica J. Hold me down adhesive. Yes, I got that big bottle because we only do big things. Anywho, now I'm gonna do 3 layers. So hopefully I can wear it all week.
Before the island, I was a jerk. And now I'm just
Bring me out the place that got me acting brand. Lotto really went off of her new one.
There was one thing that I thought about every day. I actually dreamed about it. And I promised myself that if I ever got a chance to do it again,
I'm going to do me layers that go way back.
this is as good as I remember. My mother wants me to join the company. Take my rightful place.
Can't exactly picture you as the master of the universe.
After 5 years, I have plans.
I'm using this comb instead of a wooden, what is that, like popsicle, you know? It builds up the glue on here. So in between me doing layers, I go ahead, saturate a paper towel, take my comb, put it in here long ways, and just go ahead and clean it off. Cause don't nobody got time for that. And then when you start doing more layers and more layers, it gets sticky. It ends up like doing too much. we got the wig on, we put our lace, belt, whatever on for about 10 minutes. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh. Bruh. Get stuck. Baby, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Come on, baby. Don't play with it. Okay. Y'all, this is where I get real nervous because this lace, once you do it, you cannot go back. So I'm using this double edge. Baby, I've been making plans. Using my cream foundation again. What is it? 15? Okay. And then all you gotta do is just look at how that's just blending, baby. Where? See my scalp. Period. Just give me strawberry shortcake.